Hello, you're welcome to this class. In this video, we want to look at corrections to the multiplication of decimals by multiples of 10. So in the last video, we treated the topic and now you were given quiz, and this is the solution to the quiz. And let's look at it. The first question is 0.923 multiplied by 10. All right. So since you're multiplying by the power of 10, so you are moving the decimal points a place to the right. So that means going to come to here and it becomes 9.23. So that is the first option here. I hope that is clear. Okay. All right. So the second one is 3.4 multiplied by 100. So we're moving it two places to the right. And this is going to be 1. We don't have any other number. Then we add the last 0. So that's going to give us 340. And the answer is A. All right, so move to the next one. We have 82.7 multiplied by 1000. So which means we are moving it three places to the left, to the right rather. So we'll move it here. So that means 827. So we only move it once now. It's going to remain two zeros. We add two zeros to it. That is 2,700. I hope that is clear. All right. So for this, we are multiplying by multiples of 10, right? So this is going to be 0.45 times. So this 20 will be, we are going to break it into 2. That is 10 times 2. So by multiples, by power of 10, this is going to give us 4.5 because we moved the decimal point a place to the right times 2. So 4.5 times 2 gives what? 9. And that's the option here. So I believe I'm making sense, right? Okay, good. So the next one here, number 5, is this. We have 7.2 multiplied by 50. So the same thing, that will be 7.2 times 10 times 5. So we move it to the right once. That will be 72. 72 multiplied by 5 times 5. So that will be 10, that is 0. 35 plus 1, that is 36. So the answer is 360. For question 6, now, so we have 64.2 times 100. So move it 64.2 1 2 have 0. So that will be 6,420, which is this. And number 7 now. So 1.8 times 1000. So when you move 1.81, it remains to add two zeros. So that is 1800. You can see how fast it's going to be if you master this trick. All right, so the next one, 94.5 times 20. So we'll first start 94.5 times 10 times 2. So this gives, we move it to the right. That's going to be 945 times 2. So this is 10. 0, you carry 1, 8. That's going to give you 9 and 18. 1890. So which is this one. All right, we're moving. So the next one, question 4. For question 4, we have 2.5 times for 1200. 1200. So the same thing can also be done here. So I'm going to have 2.5 times 100 times 12. All right, so this will give us 250. 2.5 times 100 is 250, then times 12. So you can have, we multiply 25 by 12, 25 by 12. So this gives 0, 5, 5, 2. So that gives 300. So that's going to give us 300. Then add 1 zeros to have it. That's going to give 3,000. And the option is this. So the last question we have here is this 3.5 times 60. So that will be 3.5 times 10 times 6. So this gives 35 times 6. So that is 30, 18, 90. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 3, 18, plus 3, that gives 21. Sorry for that. That is 21. So 210. So the answer is this. So that is that on this. So we're going to meet in our next arc of video. So in a couple of minutes now, we'll send it.